Another feature in the 1.9 release of VividCharts that we wanted to feature was the search function. So as we can tell, as we went over before, we have this new homepage layout, and over here we can access the search. So this is a new search functionality and a new page that we built, again, to support finding the right reports when you need them. And so we made this dedicated page to be able to expose these different parameters to search against. We'll also say that we decided to make the search function only available to those users with either the builder role in VividCharts or an admin role in VividCharts. And that is because the search function goes across all items in the system, including, as we can see here, ones that I personally don't have access to. So for somebody like who just has viewer capabilities, they don't necessarily need to see all of the things that they don't have access to. They primarily want to see things that are shared with me. So we expect that the viewers will be able to find what they need on this tab shared with me. But for builders, where they might be involved in more areas of the business, need a little bit more reach. And so they can search across all items and see these results. So there are a few things up here to note. The top 3 items are selected by default, and those are OR conditions. So if you're searching here, I didn't put any parameters in, and that's okay. That just means we'll get as many results back as we can. But with these top 3 checked, I am searching for either tags or titles or descriptions. So let's have an example here of KPI. I'm going to search for KPI. So KPI is searching through tags or titles or descriptions, and these are the results for that. Now I can also, these last 2 down here are AND conditions. These are AND conditions. So for instance, if I only wanted to see reports that I can edit, I could check this and go again. So I would expect this one to go away, and it does. Now my results just show items that I have edit access on. And similarly, because we introduced the capability to schedule notifications in the 1.9 release, in lieu of having a totally separate mechanism to manage all of these scheduled notifications at once, we enabled this box here to search for any of the reports that have scheduled notifications on them. So if we see the results here, all of these have scheduled notifications, and one that I can edit, I can go and see that this one does in fact have an active schedule. So that's where I would go to manage any of the items with scheduled notifications. We're excited about how this can hopefully help people find the items that they need when they need them, and especially make it easier for builders who are involved all across the organization.